Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. A quick overview for our scenarios on the daily here, where we are looking probably at an impulse toward the downside, of course, for a scenario in the magenta. Your scenario in the magenta is an A, and then three waves toward the upside A, B, C for a wave B, and then continuation towards the downside in the wave C, where you have an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your target for a wave 3 is the 1.618, 0.15 cent. However, still very low possibility for this scenario until we see, of course, something moving under this invalidation of bullish, which is at almost price, let me check, 0.62. Now, the next scenarios we have start to count here, where probably the market in FETs has started to find psychology and having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a leading diagonal. Leading diagonal because your wave 4 has interfered with your wave 1, turning this into a leading contracting diagonal, meaning the only way that we can have probably here with a leading diagonal is a 1, 2, and then we are looking for a wave 3 towards the upside. However, in this scenario, if you are impulsive towards the upside, you would like to see here another impulse rather than just invalidation. Therefore, this was we had an orange scenario, if you remember, and we have deleted 4 double 1, 2s because of this invalidation. Now, this one has transformed to a big leading diagonal. So basically, because of course this can be a leading diagonal, or it can be an A, B, and a C in a zigzag toward the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for your wave C. This is your wave A, B, and a C. Meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in zigzags. All of them are in zigzags. Probably your wave 4 is very, very close to be finished, but with one more leg toward the downside. As you can see, this is our path for this after this wave 5, finishing a zigzag for a wave 4 and moving for highest potential and higher probability for the yellow scenario for FET. Another scenario that it can be unfolding here is in the blue count, where you have a wave A, 3 waves up, and then a wave B, 3 waves down, and then again 3 waves up. I would say WXY here, but it's the same at the end. ABC 3 waves, corrective, and probably looking for other corrective 3 waves toward the downside, and then moving, of course, impulsively toward the upside. By all means, 3 waves up and 3 waves down, and then, of course, continuation for a wave C, and reaching again the same scenarios or the same price that we would like to reach soon or later. So these are the overview, guys. Highest possibility is for the yellow, second possibility is for the blue, final possibility is for the magenta. Now, if we take a look as well on the 4-hour chart here, and let's move to the 4-hour chart. What we are looking at is a possible here finished leading diagonal, possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And then we have another impulse towards the upside, but it appears that this was a zigzag, knowing that even here it couldn't finish 5 waves. I don't know how, but I mean, it can still be turning this into WXY, right, for wave A. 3 waves up and then 3 waves down and then 3 waves up, WXY again, and then moving here 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4 has interfered with your wave 1, meaning, of course, it's hard to call a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 still. However, in case this happens, so we have to consider something else, because this still looks like a wave 3. Basically, I have to consider that is a small wave 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave 1, and then, of course, your wave 2. This was your wave 2, then, okay, 1, 2, and then 3, then, okay, 4, and a 5. And that's why I'm still looking, of course, for this wave 4 to finish around the 1.618 at least, of course, to finish an ABC, right? Because your wave C can hit the 1.618 as an extended wave toward the downside. Yeah, and we want to hit anyway the blue box, right, which is 1-to-1 fib level, sorry, taken from the A, B, and a C, 1-to-1. This is taken from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So even, yeah, probably your wave 5 can hit the 1-to-1 fib level, 0.42 cent, all right? So the blue box here between the 55 cent and the 42 or 43 cents is to be watched. If this box do not hold, therefore, of course, we have to look for our blue count next, finding a wave A, and then start to move for higher from here again, right? So, and again, if we break down lower than this and invalidation of this contracting diagonal, therefore, of course, last scenario, which is the wave C. So higher probability is our blue box. We are looking for higher definitely, but we need a little bit more lower prices to trigger this, of course, bullish scenario for a wave of 5 here in the yellow count. That was it for FET. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.